What's up, guys? Welcome back to my closet. I got a new unit from QTHair. Be a cutie with QTHair. Yes, I cannot wait. Your girl loves getting her hair done, so you already know. I was excited to switch up my hair. We are switching our hair back to black. These are a few goodies we get in our package. Just a few details about my wig. This is an 8x5, so like a big closure, 22-inch, 180% density body wave unit. Let's go ahead and take her out the package so you guys can see what this hair actually looks like. I'm about to like run my fingers through, just like taking a look at like how the unit arrived to me in the package. And this unit definitely is a good wig to like put on your head straight out the box. The lace is already cut. I am going to go to my hairstylist just to give that extra secure, perfected unit on my head. So this is just the hair. The hair is good quality. I felt like it was thick, and boom, we're now at the hair salon. My hair is looking crazy. I'm about to go in the wash bowl, get a little steam treatment because I think that protecting my hair is important. The reason that I wear these protective styles and these wigs is to maintain my natural hair. I love my natural hair. I like wearing it out, but it is times that she needs to be braided up. She does not need to be manipulated. No like flat iron, curling iron. So this is me under the steamer, like getting my natural hair steamed, like that moisture locked into my hair. It's really important to take care of your hair, guys. So I do take care of my hair underneath my units. This is what my natural hair is looking like before we get that hair below dry, baby. My hairstylist is blowing my hair out. As you guys can see, healthy hair underneath my units, which is really important. You guys got to make sure you're taking care of your natural hair. So after this, we are going to go into getting my hair braided. So underneath, fully braided, and we are going to put a cap on. Boom. Got the cap on, got the braids braided. Now it's time to put this lace on and make this look as natural as possible, because we know the boys don't like the girls' wigs to be too detectable. So we have to make this look natural. One of the pros about this unit is about $180. I have a coupon code for you. When you use code JK25, this code gets you 25% off more on your unit, putting you about at $150 unit. So if you're looking for an affordable wig, this one just might be for you, my girl. So now we're going to go ahead and move into getting this glued down. I didn't want to have to deal with none of my hair out, so this is just perfect. We can just put in flexi rods to make our hair look good and not have to deal with our real hair. So we're gluing this down. I think my hairstylist is just amazing because she's going to make every unit look really good. But I was like, girl, can you slay this $150 unit? She's like, of course. So this is the process. Let's go ahead and speed up and get this hair pretty. Let's go.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle me? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required, cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for
Alright guys, so my stylist layered me up and put some curls in. This is what we are looking like. Like, I'm feeling like a baddie. I'm feeling rejuvenated. It's nothing like a middle part bust down black unit. This is like dark brown, but you know, it's dark enough, okay? But a dark unit, baby. If you're not taking pictures of yourself at the hair bowl, at the hair seat, if you're not ready for your stylist to comb out them curls and make you, did she do it right? You guys, I love my hair. I just feel like this is like the Jayla when she was in college. Like, this is the typical hairstyle that you would probably see me in, the standard black girl hairstyle. And yeah, I love it. For this unit to be so affordable, I would give this unit an 8 out of 10. Seriously, the quality of the hair is good. The density on it is good. I don't have any problems with that. And I really, really did like my hair leaving the salon. This is a closure unit, you guys, so not a full lace. I want to give you guys a close-up on it, but I genuinely love this unit taking it out the hair salon. So this is what it's looking like. If you are on a budget, I'm going to have the link in my description box so that you guys can get this unit. Make sure to use my code to get the extra percentage off. And yeah, I hope you guys like this, and let me know what you think about this hair. This is 22 inches. This is what the 22 inch looks like. And like I said, 180% density that is already full. You might gotta get you one of these, girl. All right, bye guys.
Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for